to enroll grade 1 6 years ago. This day is such a remarkable one. It deserves to be given profound attention and equal importance, since almost all sectors in our community have given their shares in making us what we are now. Let us all be happy. We can then also say that there is nothing much better and more livelier than to have you all with us. Today, your presence will really make us strive to go forward and do better. To all of you, we are glad of your presence, for you are part and parcel of our undertakings. Thank you.